Good medical morning. Today we have a fascinating case study from a medical physician who specializes in bacterial infections and lymphatic diseases. The patient is a 17-year-old male with a 1-year history of an itchy rash on his right foot. Recently, a second ulceration appeared medially on the same foot. Let's see if you can help diagnose the condition. Also, read the comments below to see other people's diagnoses. He was treated with floxacillin without improvement, which according to Wikipedia is a narrow-spectrum penicillin generally used to treat staph. Here's an example of a staph infection. So do you think it is staph? A few people suggested diabetic foot ulcer. Here's an example of such an ulcer. But the patient has no noted history of diabetes.
Foot ulcer, yeah. There's a hyperkeratotic lesion surrounding
Others think it could be a spider bite. Mycobacterium ulcers, psoriasis, or even a fungal infection. Adam seems to think it could be a fungal infection since there's no history of diabetes and treatment for staph didn't seem to make a difference. Maybe it's a cat bite. Okay, that's just an excuse for my cat to make a cameo. It probably isn't that. Here's one more look at the condition. Leave your diagnosis and suggestions in a comment below. Hopefully a few medical professionals will enlighten us with their input. Thanks again for watching, and subscribe for new videos every week. Adios.
I've always had trouble sleeping at night. For example, last night I just couldn't sleep. It was about midnight. I took 2 RESTMORE and within 30 minutes I was asleep. I didn't wake up at all through the night. I didn't wake up groggy. Check it out.
RESTMORE is an essential addition to your medicine cabinet for those times you need to fall asleep but can't. Remember, when you just need more rest, get RESTMORE. Now available on Amazon. Good night. Don't forget to check out our favorite blemish removal toolkit. This beautiful 7-piece set is available on Amazon and will fulfill all your popping needs. It has a lancet for big jobs, a spade for those hard-to-reach corners, the cone extractor for big jobs, and loops of various sizes. This kit has everything you need to start popping like a pro. Each one has been hand inspected for quality, and the case keeps them stylish and discreet. Don't be fooled by flimsy, low-end knockoffs. Pick up yours today by using the Amazon link below. Thanks for watching.